Phonics Sentences Practice for Kids. Long vowel A. Bake a delicious cake for the party. Bake a delicious cake for the party. Take a stroll by the serene lake. Take a stroll by the serene lake. Use a rake to tidy up the garden. Use a rake to tidy up the garden. Wear a stylish cape for the costume party. Wear a stylish cape for the costume party. Wrap the gift with colorful tape. Wrap the gift with colorful tape. Explore the hidden cave in the mountains. Explore the hidden cave in the mountains. Create gentle ripples in the calm wave. Create gentle ripples in the calm wave. Make a wish by the flickering flame. Make a wish by the flickering flame. Dance with joy under the starry gaze. Dance with joy under the starry gaze. Brave the challenge with a confident stride. Brave the challenge with a confident stride. Great job, kids! You're on your way to becoming fantastic readers. Keep practicing and exploring the world of phonics. See you in the next exciting lesson.